Morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our Year 3 Presentation Assembly. It's Friday the 1st of April 2022. We're here to celebrate all those children who've earned themselves Presentation Assembly certificates throughout this spring term. Yes, we are here. The last day of term. We're ready to hand out all these certificates to these amazing Year 3 children who've been working so hard. So let's start with our top 3 in each class. Look at these guys who've been working so hard and earning themselves house points in Mrs. George and Mr. Pinner's class. Look at the number of house points they've got as well. We start off with Mrs. George and we've got Olivia on 73. We've got Nala on 76 and just out on the lead is Sky Macy with 78. So well done you three, huge congratulations. Give them a big round of applause. Lots and lots of merits and loads of house points as well. So well done you three, the top 3 there in Mrs. George's class. And then Mr. Pinner's, look at all these. You've got Ebony on 94. You've got Muntaha on 101. And then out on the lead there, Rion on 110. You should be smiling, Rion. That is amazing. So you 6, come on, stand up if you're in class. Let's give a huge round of applause, guys. That is a huge number of house points. So really well done to all 6 of you. And let's keep it up over the summer term as well. See if you can remain there. Well done. Let's find out who's won some certificates now then. Oh, look at this. Mrs. George's English stars. Look at the English work as well to go with it. The writing is amazing. So you've got Paul, you've got Casper, you've got Daisy, and you've got Jacob. Ah, that is amazing, guys. What an amazing amount of English as well. An amazing writing that you have done. Huge congratulations. Enjoy taking your English certificates home with you today, you superstars. Well done. And moving on to the reading stars. Now, not only these guys are going to be taking home their certificates, they've got a reading book to take home with them as well. You've got Ramya, we've got Esma, we've got Rosie, we've got Ramin. Because you've been reading so well throughout this term. So really well done to you 4. Enjoy taking your certificates and your new reading book home with you over Easter. And let me know all about it when you come back. Well done. Mrs. George's maths stars. Look at these mathematicians working so hard on their maths. Look at Logan. We've got Logan. We've got Riley. We've got Jackson. And we've got Leah working so hard throughout this term. Look at that amazing work from Leah as well. Look at that maths book. It is phenomenal. And everyone else learning how to tell the time there as well. So huge congratulations. Well done on working so hard on all your maths mastery lessons. Enjoy taking your maths certificates home with you today. You superstars. Look at the scientists working scientifically. These science stars. You've got Leland there. Look at him concentrating. You've got Jordan, you've got Ruby studying that massive rock there. And we've got Raum as well. Well done, guys. Huge congratulations. Well done on all that science you've done throughout this time. You've been working so hard throughout. So really well done. Enjoy taking your science certificates home with you at the end of today. Well done. And on to Miss George. Geography stars. Look at these geographies. Oh, look at the geography. Look at these that you've made as well. Amazing. With all the river and all labelled as well. We've got Eva. We've got Lacey. We've got Esme. And we've got Bo. Well done, guys. It's amazing geography work you've done throughout this term. And fantastic models as well. Huge congratulations. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you at the end of today. Well done. Oh. And look at Miss George, look at these PE stars. Wow, I know these guys have been really physically active, and that's not only in their PE and games lesson, but also break and lunchtimes as well. So you've got Nala, you've got Livia, you've got Tyler, and you've got Robbie, being really good in their PE lessons and working so hard and actually just being really physically active. Let's keep that up over Easter, please. Not too many Easter eggs. Let's see if you can be really fit over Easter as well, guys. So well done. Enjoy taking your PE certificate home with you today, you superstars. On to, look out, Mr. Pinner's English stars. Now, these guys have been working so hard in their English. You've got Cece, you've got Oliver, we've got Gabby, and we've got Rion. Big smiles. Come on, Rion. Just give us a big smile. You won yourselves your English star certificate. So really well done, guys. Huge congratulations. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you today, you superstars. Well done. And Mr. Pinner's reading stars. Now, these guys are going to get themselves a reading book as well as a certificate. So they'll be able to carry on. But these guys have been reading every single day. And really, most of them, it's twice a day as well. So you've got Alex, you've got Charlie, you've got Jake, and you've got Rebecca. Well done, guys. Keep up that reading. Keep up that reading over Easter as well. You superstars. Well done. And Mr. Pinner's math stars. Look at these mathematicians. Look at George. Look at him there with his pencil in hand, ready, doing his maths. So we've got Esme, we've got Omo, and we've got Lee. Well done, guys. I know you've made so much progress over this spring term, working so hard on your maths. So really well done. And just really believe in yourself because you're a really good mathematician. So well done. Mr. Pinner has obviously recognised that and given you guys a certificate for the spring term. So well done. Mr. Pinner's science stars. Look at these scientists all smiling as well. We've got Gino, we've got Levi, we've got Gabia, and we've got Mia May. Well done, guys. Huge congratulations. Again, working so scientifically throughout this term. You've had a whole term of science and you've been working so hard. So huge congratulations. Really, really well done. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you today, you superstars. Geography stars, and these geography, again, working on lots of work on the rivers as well. We've got Benita, we've got Ebony, we've got Daria, and we've got Ebony. And these guys really love geography as well. That's one of the things Miss Spinner told me. They absolutely love their geography lessons. So well done, you four. Congratulations on earning your geography star certificates. You're absolutely star. Enjoy taking them home with you today as well. Well done. And finally, there's our PE stars. Look at these guys. I know these guys have been so physically active. It's incredible. So we've got Mia, and we've got Alfie, we've got Muntar, and we've got Lilith. And they've been not only physically active, but they've been amazing in their PE lessons and following instructions and doing all the things that is expected of them. So really well done, you four. Keep it up. Keep being physically active over Easter as well. Again, not too many Easter eggs, please, but just try and be as physically active as you possibly can. Keep yourselves fit over Easter. Really well done. Well done, everyone in year 3. What an amazing spring term it has been. You've been working so hard. Well done, every single one of you. Even if you haven't won a certificate, you've all worked so well. So really well done. All left me to say is obviously, happy Easter. We're back to school, as you can see, on Tuesday, the 19th of April, 2022. Ready. The Monday is a bank holiday, so ready for the start of the summer term. Listen, guys, have an amazing, happy Easter, and we'll see you all on Tuesday, the 19th of April. Until then, bye-bye now.